So here in South Carolina, we don't have a snow season, we have pollen season. And during pollen season, as you can see, pollen goes everywhere. It covers everything, including your vehicle. Now, during pollen season here in the South, it is almost impossible to keep your vehicle clean. So, I hate to admit it, but I had not cleaned my truck all winter. And, well, my truck was extremely filthy. And now we've got the layer of pollen on it. So that's the reason I decided to take it through one of those little touchless car washes, just to get some of a layer or two of the dirt off. They're not the best thing in the world. The touchless are better than the one with the brushes, because they don't, of course, they don't scratch up and touch your car. But still, you know, the best method is to, you know, do it the old-fashioned way and to just clean it yourself. But during pollen season, it's just not worth it. I mean, by the time you wash your car the next morning, you come back out and it's covered again. So it's an endless battle here in the South. But nonetheless, I mean, for as much dirt as was on this truck, I'm pretty happy with how much it came off. Of course, by no means is this truck clean, because it still has a fair amount of dirt, as you can see down there at the steps and the tires and all. But as you can see, it's already got another dusting of pollen on it as the pollen is falling. I've only been parked here for a few minutes, and you can see it's already starting to build up once again on the windshield. So yeah, like I said, you know, keeping your vehicle clean here in the South during pollen season, which basically runs from March until, depends on how much rain we get, but from March until, I would say, May, it's an endless battle. So I'm even getting pollen building up on this GoPro as we're doing this video. So it's not bad like snow, but it's a lot dirtier and it lasts a whole lot longer. So that's our battles here in the South. Up north, you know, mainly just worrying about the winter and the snow and the ice and the salt on the roads. But here, the pollen isn't corrosive, so that's a good thing. It's just inconvenient, and it's hard to keep your vehicle clean during this time. So what are your thoughts on those touchless car washes? When you're in a pinch, I think they're a good option, especially if you're wanting to, you know, just refresh your wash job that you may have done previously earlier that week or that weekend or something, and it's middle of the week and you just want to freshen up your vehicle, outside of your vehicle again. I think it's a pretty good option. Like I said, the touchless kind does use a little bit of a higher pressure water stream, multiple water streams, but at least it doesn't have the dirt on the brushes that's putting those little micro scratches in your paint and all. And I've used those in the past too, and well, you've let me know not to do that. So, but yeah, just in a pinch, I don't see anything wrong with a touchless car wash. But let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and ring that bell so that you get all the notifications when the videos come out. And as always, I hope you have a great day today. I'll see you in the next one.